We're into Module 2 now. Module 1 was about who you are. Module 2 is about where you live online. And the first thing we build is the most important digital asset your business will ever own. Not your Instagram page, not your TripAdvisor listing, not your OTA profile, your website. Here's why this matters. Every single one of those other platforms owns the relationship with your customer. They control the design, the algorithm, the fees, the rules, and the data. Your website is the only place where you control all of that. It's the only place where a visitor can become a customer without a platform taking a cut, but only if it's built right. Most tour websites aren't, and the mistakes they make are almost always the same, 6 of them specifically. Let's go through each one. I'm Islam Hussein. I build and work with real travel businesses, designing the systems, content, and strategies that actually drive visibility and bookings. What you're seeing here is an AI version of me. While I'm focused on building and testing things in the real world, this is where I break them down clearly, step by step. Everything you're about to hear comes directly from that work. Not theory, not recycled advice, just what's actually being used and refined right now. The 6 golden rules of a tour website, 1 video in the hero, a static image above the fold no longer stops the scroll. A looping, high-quality video of your destination, ideally 10 to 30 seconds, no audio by default, is now the baseline expectation for any premium tour brand. If you don't have video yet, that's your first content task. 2, trust above the fold. Your most powerful social proof, review count, star rating, a recognizable publication mention, a partner logo, needs to be visible before the visitor scrolls, not buried in the footer, not on a separate testimonials page, right there in the first screen. 3, 1 primary CTA per page. Every page has one job. The home page's job is to get the visitor to explore a tour. A tour page's job is to get them to book or inquire. If you give someone 5 different actions to take, they take none. 1 button, 1 direction. Make it obvious. 4, tour pages that decide most tour pages are information dumps. A converting tour page follows a specific sequence, an opening hook, what's included, who it's for, why it's different, social proof specific to that tour, and a booking button, in that order, every time. 5, mobile first, not mobile friendly. Over 60% of travel research now happens on a phone. Mobile friendly means your desktop site technically works on mobile. Mobile first means you designed it for mobile first and it happens to look great on desktop too. The difference is obvious the moment someone visits on their phone. 6, structured for AI search, ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Google AI overviews now answer travel queries directly, recommending specific operators by name. To be cited, your pages need clear entity statements. Luxurious Egypt offers private Nile journeys, FAQ sections with direct answers, and schema markup. This is no longer optional for any operator who wants organic discovery. Before you apply the 6 rules, you need a platform to apply them on. In 2026, the choice looks like this: Framer.Webflow operators who want design control, fast performance, and good SEO without touching code monthly platform cost. Some learning curve, not the right choice if you need complex booking logic on the same domain. AI website builder, early stage operators who need something live within days and have no technical background, less control over performance and structure. Fine as a starting point, but plan to migrate when the business demands it. Headless CMS Plus, Next.js operators with developer access, multiple markets, or high content volume requires technical resource to build and maintain. The highest ceiling, Luxurious Egypt's target architecture long-term. WordPress operators already on it with a well-maintained setup. No reason to migrate if it's working, but don't start here in 2026. The performance and flexibility ceiling is too low. For Luxurious Egypt as a startup, the right call right now is Framer. It's fast to launch, looks premium out of the box with the right design system, and handles the 6 rules cleanly. When the business grows and we need multi-language support and a headless booking integration, we'll migrate. But right now, speed to launch matters more than ceiling. Here's how the 6 rules map to the Luxurious Egypt homepage. Rule 1. Video a 30-second drone reel of the Nile at sunrise. No narration, no text overlay. just the water, the light, and the silence. Rule 2, trust a strip directly below the hero, rated 4.9 on Google, plus featured in publication by plus ISO certified guide team. Even as a startup, you can lead with the guide credentials. Rule 3, CTA plan your journey. One button, deep teal above the fold. Not book now, not learn more, plan your journey. Rule 4, tour pages. Each tour page, opening image plus one line hook. What's included, who it's for, why luxurious Egypt. One review excerpt, book, inquire button. Rule 5, mobile design in Framer starting from a 390px viewport. Check every page on a real phone before publishing. Rule 6, AI search. Every tour page opens with Luxurious Egypt offers tour name, a private description for audience. FAQ section at the bottom of each page. Schema markup via Framer plugin. 6 rules, a platform decision, and a clear map of how they apply in practice. Your task before the next episode, make your platform decision. If you don't have a website yet, pick the platform and register the domain. If you do have one, run it against the 6 rules and mark which ones it currently fails. That list is your roadmap. The website doesn't need to be perfect before we move on. It needs to exist and it needs to follow the rules. We'll keep refining it as the series progresses. In the next episode, we connect the website to Google Analytics 4. So from the moment anyone visits, you're capturing data on what they're doing and where they're coming from. Without that, you're flying